the risk to human divers. This is particularly important in deep-sea operations where conditions can be extremely dangerous. AI can handle these tasks without putting human lives at risk. AI algorithms can also predict potential equipment failures, preventing costly downtime and accidents. By analyzing patterns and data, AI can foresee issues before they become critical, allowing for preemptive maintenance and repairs. Finally, AI contributes to cost savings. The efficiency and predictive capabilities of AI mean fewer resources are wasted, and projects can stay within budget. By optimizing operations and reducing the need for human intervention, AI can significantly lower the overall cost of underwater projects. This makes underwater engineering not only more efficient and safer, but also more economically viable. Section 5. The future is immersive. AI's potential in underwater engineering. The future of AI in underwater engineering is incredibly promising. With rapid advancements in technology, AI is set to revolutionize how we interact with and explore the underwater world. As AI technology advances, we can expect even greater autonomy, intelligence, and capabilities in underwater systems. These systems will be able to perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention, making underwater operations more efficient and safer. Imagine AI-powered underwater robots working collaboratively to build underwater habitats. These robots could construct entire cities beneath the waves, providing new living spaces and research facilities, or repair pipelines with minimal human intervention. This would significantly reduce the risks and costs associated with underwater maintenance. AI could also play a crucial role in monitoring the health of our oceans, tracking marine life, and identifying pollution sources. This would enable us to take timely actions to protect marine ecosystems. The possibilities are truly endless, from enhancing underwater construction to ensuring the sustainability of marine environments. AI's potential is vast. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the field of underwater engineering. It's not just about making tasks easier, it's about transforming our entire approach to underwater exploration and construction. It's making exploration safer, more efficient, and cost-effective, allowing us to venture deeper and stay longer in underwater environments, while unlocking unprecedented possibilities for our future. The integration of AI in underwater engineering is paving the way for groundbreaking innovations. As we continue to explore and understand the vast potential of our oceans, AI will undoubtedly play an increasingly vital role. It will help us uncover the mysteries of the deep sea and harness its resources responsibly. AI will undoubtedly play an increasingly vital role. The future of underwater engineering is bright, and AI is at the forefront of this exciting journey.